Hey son, this is just yet another RC channel. I think it's time for us to build some more excavator today. I'll move you over to the bench over here and I'll see you guys in a sec. We got the boom more or less ready with the motor and the cylinder or piston. Now we'll do some work on the arm. It's going to be something like this. First we will get all the nuts in place. It's a bit tight. And then we'll screw it together with 20mm screws. There. Before we continue, I'd appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button while you're at it. I added a few of those bolts, and then we'll add the motor. For all of these pivot points, I'll use this brass tube, 4mm outside and 3mm inside. And then I'll use regular M3 bolt. So just leave a mark, and then we start cutting. So I cut a lot of these brass tubes off cam, without burning myself. Heat up so I can push them through. So off cam, I've inserted all those brass inserts, and I've cut some pieces of threaded M3. And let's see if we can put this together. We'll start off with the piston or the rod. This is just 3D printed. Let me know in the comments if you think they will hold up to the abuse or not. And I'm not gonna give you my thoughts about it yet. So there, and then I guess it's time to mount this one onto this one. It's quite massive. Let's get this bucket into shape. Let's see if we can get this bucket in place. So what do you think? It's not small by any standards. So let me know in the comments if you think this is going to work or not. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.